Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? You can see on your screen, what is it? This is a table of ICC Cricket World Cup 2019. And over here you can see the last column. This last column consists of the averages. What are averages? As you can see in this table that India wicket lost and its average is 93, and over here you can see the highlighted one, New Zealand. Its wicket lost is 13 and its average is 28.38. So what is this and how they have taken out the average? Today we'll understand and know about the averages. So today we are going to start averages, and it starts from page number 189 till page number 200 in your mathematics textbook.
अरे अरे अली भाई, कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप इतना खुशी में झूमते हुए? ऐसा क्या हुआ है आज? उस्मान, आज हमारी टीम ने क्रिकेट मैच जीत लिया और जिसमें मैंने सबसे ज्यादा रन्स बनाए हैं। अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत खुशी की बात है। पर मेरा ख्याल है चैंपियन तो समीर है, उसकी एवरेज रन रेट 9 रन्स पर ओवर है। उस्मान, मैंने 5 ओवर्स के मैच में फर्स्ट ओवर में 8, सेकेंड ओवर में 12, थर्ड ओवर में 13, फोर्थ ओवर में 10 और फिफ्थ ओवर में 12 रन्स बनाए हैं, जिससे ये जाहिर है कि मेरे एवरेज रन्स अच्छे हैं।
So students, how could Ali find out the average and how could he say that he is a winner? So let's help you understand that how his average score is found out and how did he decide that he is a winner. And he has decided this on his average. Per over means each over. So average or mean, both are same. He will sum or add all his runs, then divide by the number of matches. So he is adding. Now see, the sum of all the runs are 55 and he will divide them by 5. His number of matches were 5 that he has played. So now after division he will get what answer? Let's see. As we have already known the procedure of division, the numerator will go inside and become our dividend and our divisor is 5. Obviously the denominator, after dividing I get 11 answer at the question. So average runs of Ali is 11. Now Ali is like this winner because his average run rate is 11 per over. Similarly, if I compare Ali with another superior cricket player, so he is Mr. Asad. He has runs just in the board. Now I have to find out the average of his runs per over. So first is 13, second is 12, similarly third, fourth and fifth. I will have to add them all, divide by 5. His number of matches are 5. So runs per over is greater than Ali. So Ali has to work hard now to be a champion in cricket. So students, today we are going to study about averages. Our objectives of today's class are: what is average? Finding average in the form of decimal. Finding average given total amount and number of items. Finding the total amount given the averages and the number of items. Finding the total amount given the averages in compound units and number of items. Finding the averages given the total amount in compound units and the number of items. Over here, dear students, you can see stars. They are different three groups of stars. In the first group, there are 5 balloons. In the second group, you may see there are 3 balloons. And in the third group, there are 4 balloons. So, I want to arrange them in such 3 groups that each and every group may contain the same number of stars. This is called average. In average, what do we do? Basically, we make groups, but in each group we need same amount of items. So for doing that process, first of all, I'll have to do what is that I'll have to add the number of balloons in each group. As you can see over here, I have added all the balloons, and you can see that 5 balloons in first group I had, then 4 balloons I had, and 3 balloons. Their sum is giving me 12 balloons. So 12 balloons, that is my first step. Now after adding, I have another step, that is to divide. How many groups do I have? I have 3 groups. So I have to divide this whole sum of 12 balloons into 3. When I divide 12 into 3, I get 4 balloons. So it means that my each group should contain 4-star balloon. So when I arrange in each group 4-star balloon, then I get in each group equal amount of star balloons, and the same was which I needed. So this is the procedure of finding out average. Very first step, remember, you have to add and find out the sum of all the items you are given in many groups. How much groups, don't bother about. Then second step, divide that sum on number of groups, and the question that you get over there is your final answer. I mean, that's your average item or number of items in each group. What do we mean by averages? The averages of a group of numbers of the same kind is a single number which represents the whole group. For averages, we have steps. Number 1, find the sum of all given numbers. Divide the total number by the number of addends. Addends are basically the numbers which we add. Average is equal to sum of all addends divided by number of addends. So let's have some examples. The very first one example is the prices of 5 school bags are 252 rupees, 258, 376, 390 and 364. Find the average price of the bags. Do you remember the steps? Step number 1. Add the addends, means add the amount of prices. Find out the sum of prices of all bags. That are, sum of all prices is equal to, first one was 252, then the second price is 258, the third price is 376, then there is 390, and the last price of the bag was 364. So by adding all of them, I get the sum of 1640. Moving towards next step. Step number 2 is write the number of the addends, means prices of the bag. How many bags? 5 school bags. So number of addends are equal to 5 bags. Step number 3. Find the average. Now put the formula of average, which is equal to sum of addends sum of all addends. Okay, don't leave anyone. Divided by number of addends. So sum of addends I have over here is 1640, and number of addends I have over here is 5. So by dividing 1640 by 5, I have 328, which is known as the average price of the bags is 328 rupees. Let's have another example. Rainfall recorded in June, July, August and September was 336 centimeter, 66 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 46 centimeter respectively. So we have to find the average of the rainfall for 4 months. That were June, July, August and September. Let's move towards solution. Total rainfall received in 4 months. Let's add all the addends or all the record of each month. 36, 66 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 46 centimeter. By adding them, I get the sum of 208. So, number of months I have over here are 4. Third step, average is equal to total rainfall received in 4 months divided by number of months. So let's put the values. 208 is total rainfall received and 4 is number of months. So by dividing them I get 52. My answer is the average rainfall in 4 months is 52 centimeter.